So why did Bitcoin go up this morning? Bitcoin and crypto went up a lot this morning. It was insane. 2 to 3 reasons for that. 3 to 4 minutes. Everything you need to know today, right now, in the next 3 to 4 minutes. Holy crap, Bitcoin actually went up. It's a miracle. I mean, look at that giant candle. That's actually Ethereum, but we had Bitcoin go up all the way from 19,200 to 19,500. A gigantic $300 move this morning. Hallelujah. We also had the stock market go absolutely crazy. Look at that. That's the stock market. So why is this happening? I'm going to tell you in the next 2 minutes. What I need from you really quickly, smash the like button on this video. If you speak Spanish, go watch my Spanish videos. I make these videos every single day in Spanish. Seriously, right now though, stop what you're doing. Smash the like button. Share this with one person who you think needs to make more money, who you think is really poor in your life. I'm just kidding. But please do that. And go follow me on TikTok. They might be banning TikTok, so hurry up before they ban it. I'm just kidding. I don't know what's going on, but go follow me there. I got a lot of videos coming up on there quickly. Okay, so what's going on? There's only 3 reasons for this. The first reason Bitcoin went up this morning, stocks went up, is because the Democrats finally got on board. These idiot Democrats who want us to go into an endless war with Ukraine and want us to, fight for Ukraine or stand for Ukraine, all this bullshit. They're finally realizing that this is stupid, including AOC, who's a complete psychopath. They're calling for Biden to negotiate with Putin, finally. Holy crap, finally. Oh, we shouldn't spend $1 bazillion over there and fund endless death and war. Maybe we should actually negotiate and figure this thing out. Well, once this finally is happening, it's becoming, like I've been saying on this channel for months. If you've been watching, smash the like button if you've been watching. I've been saying that this is not politically popular. This is not going to be politically popular. It took them like 2 extra months because they are literally the slowest, worst administration in the history of the United States. But they finally figured out that, hey, this might not be politically popular. We should probably stop funding this war. So they're going to finally do this. This is going to be huge for markets. Once we get peace in Russia, I've been saying that Bitcoin's going to go to $30,000 so fast it's going to make you want to poop your pants. Okay, you're going to want to poop your little pants. So that's number 1. If we can get peace in Russia, it looks like it's becoming politically more popular for this to happen. Don't know if our senile president can actually negotiate with Putin to get this done. But if he can, we're going to $30,000. So there you go. There's your risk reward. Second thing, Harold Malmgren. Harold Malmgren is the insider in the White House and in Washington. He is the guy who knows things before everyone else knows them. Guess what he said? Look for the Fed in the coming months to suggest that the long-standing 2% normal inflation target should be realistically set in the 3% to 4% range. Interesting. So I just made the Spanish video, so I got my expectativas versus realidades. Go follow me if you speak Spanish. But anyway, it's the same thing. Expectations versus reality. This is everything in life. It's markets, it's marriage, it's everything. I'm just kidding, but it's everything, right? You have these expectations, then you realize the reality. And the market right now expects inflation to come down to 2%. So that's what they're pricing in. They're pricing in 2% normal inflation. But what Harold is saying is that the Fed will likely change the goal. They will likely move the goalposts. It's like if you have LeBron James on your team, okay? And you have a 10-foot hoop. LeBron is dunking easily. Let's say you move it down to 8 foot. Well, LeBron can suddenly do like backflip dunks, right? It just makes it easier and the markets go up higher. It seems like LeBron is dunking harder. It seems like he is performing better, but really the goalpost just lowered. So that's the same thing is happening here. They're lowering the goalpost. They're lowering the basketball hoop, which markets like. If you make it easier for the Fed to achieve its goals, markets like that. And that's why we have this giant candle this morning here. And if this continues, if we keep, and it probably will because we have a wussy culture that can't tolerate pain, right? So if the Fed just suddenly is like, you know what, we said 2%, but we said 2%, but we didn't really mean it. These markets are going to keep going even higher. They're going to go even higher because the Fed is a wuss. And it just reminds me of certain things they've said in the past. Inflation is transitory. Just kidding, it's not. Rates are going to stay low. Just kidding, they're not. They always lie. They always do the opposite. So I expect Harold's right. In the next few months, they're going to say, hey, we're going to try to get inflation to 4% and markets are going to go crazy. The last thing is we have earnings today. We have Apple, Microsoft. We have Microsoft and Google today, 2 of the biggest companies in the world. Tomorrow we have Facebook, another really big company. And we have Apple and Amazon on Thursday. Okay, these are the best companies in the world and they report earnings. Let's say they report good earnings, like I said in my tweet. I think maybe the best companies in the world will probably perform like they normally do. If they perform well, guess what? Bitcoin's going to break out. Bitcoin's going to go above $20,000. The stock market's going to keep pumping. And I do think they will perform well because the past few months, I've owned a lot of businesses in my life and I like to think of it just from a business perspective. The last few months have been weird, right? People are scared of recession. People are scared of, spending money, right? They're kind of hunkering down at home. And which businesses benefit from hunkering down at home, watching a bunch of content, using your laptop, using the internet. Which businesses do really well in that case? Well, I would ordering goods online, searching the internet, browsing through your friends. I mean, I think it's probably Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Apple, and Amazon. So I think these companies will do better than people think. I travel a lot, and I saw that when I was traveling, there were no tourists. There were no people out in the streets. There's no one there. They're all at home using Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple. Okay, so their earnings are probably going to be fantastic. They're probably going to crush, and we're probably going to go up. So that's my expectation. Like I told you guys for months, if you're not buying at 19,000, you're an idiot. Finally, we're at 19,500. Hopefully we go up higher. Ethereum will probably go up more. Altcoins maybe go up more, but I do expect Bitcoin and ETH to lead the way here because people are still a little bit scared. Follow me on TikTok. Follow my Spanish channel. I'll see you guys, I don't know, maybe tomorrow, maybe not. I don't know. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, and then you might know when I'm going to be back. All right, love you guys. Bye.